Welcome to episode 15 of Flow's Fundamentals. In this episode, we will cover the fundamental mechanics of the Fantastic Booster deck. Certain fundamental mechanics of the Fantastic Booster are Celebrity Bunnies and Mysterious Place cards. These were introduced in the Onyx Booster deck, so if you'd like to learn more about how these work, reference that Flow's Fundamentals lecture. Another fundamental mechanic of the Fantastic Booster deck is the negative supply cards. If you draw one of these from the shop, you are required to lose 2 of that supply. It's worth noting, however, that there is no debt. If you don't have supplies to lose, just discard it. Fantastic Booster also introduces the Forever Supplies. These are infinite sources of supply units. In fact, you can even trade these units. Just give the player that you're trading with vouchers to keep track. This has been episode 15 of Flow's Fundamentals, going over the fundamental mechanics of the Fantastic Booster deck. And as always, Jeff bless.